underneath this makeup is a red tomato face. Welcome back, you guys. Thank you for coming to see another video. Today I am doing a natural look, and I actually mean natural. I know for my smoky glam I said I was going to do an everyday look. It never comes out that way, but I'm actually going to do a natural look today. You may be surprised, but when we say everyday glam, it still means a lot of time is taken into your look. It's just the point of making it look natural. So that's what I'm going to do. So you guys, grab yourself a Coke, water, whatever your vibe is, and let's do this look. So I've just done my face. I have done my base, my cream contour, my slight highlight, and of course eyebrows. So I just want to go in and work with the eyes and just do like a natural type eye look. So like I said, I just did my face, and I'm going to go in with some e.l.f. setting powder, and I'm just going to set it. This is a really important step for any type of makeup look. I mean, if you put any type of cream on, a BB cream, it's going to help it stay in place. Even if you don't use a beauty blender, you can use a brush. Okay, so I'm going to put another layer under my eyes so that we can do the eyeshadow. I'm just going to use my Revolution contour palette. We're going to deepen our crease. We're going to like make it a little bit darker to bring more definition. And also I want to use this contour bronzy color in our crease so that when we do our contour later, it'll all pull together and it will match. And I'm just taking a fluffy Morphe brush, is the M441, and I'm just going to dip into it like this, and then I'm going to tap the edge. When you do that, you can see a bunch of powder. Some people, like myself, used to think, wow, you're just basically making everything that you just put on the brush go off the brush. Kind of are, but the point of it is to not have a bunch of really thick areas of the pigment still on your brush, so that when you put it on your eye, it will be enough and you can keep doing it and going back in as many times as you need to deepen up the crease. That was a lot to say. I don't know if I even got it out right, but there we go. So I'm just taking the main color that I normally use, and I'm just going to go right in pretty lightly, and I'm just going to follow the top of my eyeball, basically, because the top of your eyeball is where your crease is, basically. Going back in, and that's all I do, and I tap it. See how that's gotten a little bit darker now? That's the goal. So now that we've done that, let's go ahead and do the other eye. Okay, now see, just looking straight on, you can see the eyes look like I'm doing a little something, but it's not like a major drastic change. So this is what I personally will call natural, because I'm not doing a purple, I'm not doing any certain colors. It's just like a nude, just a really natural color. I'm just deepening up my skin tone, adding a little definition, and that is what I mean by natural. Now we could stop here, but I just want to show you guys a little trick if you don't know. Some people may not know. Sometimes I don't always do it, but this really helps is to get the lower lash line. I just take a little brush like this, and it is a e.l.f. Professional Eye Crease Brush. This is literally $2 or $3 at Walmart or any type of drugstore, and this is going to be good to help get your lower lash line. So I'm doing the same exact thing. I'm just tapping it in. I'm going to tap off the excess, and then you just want to go straight in, really light hand, and just start blending. Just do these motions just like this, and it's going to pull together the color on the top with the bottom, and it just does something magical. I really don't know, but it really helps. Sometimes it will get in your eye if you're not careful. So yeah, you can just deepen it up as much as you think necessary until you think it looks good enough. See how we just blend it like this, and then where you ended up here, you can just connect it just like that. You can do any type of shape you want, whatever. And if you want to do a little something with your lids, you can take a light color just like this. You can use your fingertip, whatever, and just put it on the top right here just to give it a little more awakeness, a little more brightness to this area right here. And sometimes it really does make a difference. In this case, this color literally matches my eyelids, so I don't know if it's going to make a difference. But you could literally use anything, but since we're going natural, I feel like this is as natural as it can possibly get. So the next thing for the eyes, we're going to add our little Wet n Wild Skinny felt tip liquid eyeliner, and this is a really good eyeliner pen. We're just going to line the very tippy top of our eyelids and just draw on a little tiny wing just to make it a little more pizzazz to this natural look. You don't have to do it whatsoever. You could just do some mascara and call it a day, but for this case I would like to personally add a little bit of eyeliner. Say you get to right here and you're like, anxiety, oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do this wing like you're saying, I don't know what's about to happen, I can't do it. This is what I do, you guys. It's literally so easy. Take the end of the little pin and then just point at the edge of your eyebrow. The edge of your eyebrow should be lined up with your eyeliner. It does not have to be, by no means. I'm just trying to give you a tip. Just point towards the end of your eyebrow. Just start small. Just start a small little point and then just kind of drag it. Then I just kind of make little adjustments as needed. Could have just left it as it was, but it was kind of bothering me. It was a little bit crooked. My baby wings never come out to be baby wings. They start as baby wings and then they just grow to big, dramatic, crazy wings. I think this one is pretty average size. We're going to try and leave it. We're going to try not touch it, and we're going to do the other side. Okay, yes, this one kind of grew a little bit more. My little eyeliner pencil is going out, y'all, and it's killing me. Okay, so the eyes are just about done. Y'all can be done here if you'd like. I always, of course, like to add my white eyeliner. It's literally my favorite. So we're going to do that. You can pop on black eyeliner. You can pop on whatever kind of eyeliner you like. I personally just love white. My eyes are already huge, but it just makes me feel so awake and just fresh. Now I'm just going to take some mascara. Y'all can take any mascara you personally like. I think the best drugstore mascara is the L'Oreal Voluminous. It is like $6. It has been $6 for many, many years, which is amazing that they don't change the price. And it just is like a thick formula, and it just kind of really coats your lashes. I've always loved it. I just kind of start as close to the base of my eyelid as I can and just kind of wiggle the wand. And then I go crazy like this. And then I just go straight in to the bottom lashes. And just a tip, if any of you guys have issues doing your top eyelashes, like my mom, she has really curly lashes, so she always gets it on her eyelid. I do too. It's just what happens with makeup. Take a little mirror like this and then just look down. Look down as you do it, and it will help you, because if you're looking straight up, you're more likely to touch your eyelid, you know what I mean? So just use a mirror like this. You'll get used to it. It's kind of hard to do at first, but you will get used to it. You just hold a mirror, and it's a lot easier to not get it on your eyelid that way. Since I'm doing bottom lashes, I'm looking up. You could in there if you'd like. I am going to go in, set my contour with some powder contour, add a little bit of highlight, and me being who God created me to be, I'm going to be my extra self and put on lashes, because yes, we call this natural, and naturally I wish I had big eyelashes. So we're not only natural, but we're glowing. And then if you want to add a pop of color, here's some Kiss Luxe Creamy Gloss. And then last tip would be to set it. I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. This stuff is amazing. I only keep it in my beauty room, because if I were to use it every day, it would be gone in like 2 days. It smells so good. It smells so fresh. It's such a soft mist. It's so gentle. So that concludes this look today, you guys. I hope you like it. I hope this is natural enough for some of you. I know if I didn't add lashes, it probably wouldn't be as dramatic, but it's just me, you guys. It's just me. You just gotta love it. If some of you guys are not on my Instagram, this video is for you guys who chose the natural look. I heard y'all for the glitter, and you know I got you. My next video is gonna be a glitter feast. We're gonna feast on glitter. Literally. But I really wanted to get something out there for you guys who really want to do a natural look and you're just not sure where to start. Some of my friends, some of my closest people that I'm with, here you go. This is a natural look for you guys. This is something that anyone can do. Very simple, very easy, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next week, you guys, I got you with the glitter, all my glitter people, and it actually was not an even vote. The glitter won, but the natural was still requested, and I was like, you know what? There's more glitter than there is natural, so I gotta do something for you guys. So here it is. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I love you guys. I will see you guys later. Bye.
Softly. Paige, what are you doing?